I got another keto box. This one is probably number 6. And once again, it feels a little bit smaller than the last one, but that's probably because I'm not saving the boxes and comparing them. Here we go. All right, usual tchotchkes. We got some coupons. Oh, hello, Chalk Zero. I think Chalk Zero is easily my favorite brand these days. This looks delicious. Sugar-free, low carb, obviously. What do we got going on here? Let's get closer. Ooh. It's not bad. 1 gram per. Hello. I'll be eating all of those in one sitting, probably. Crispy Cuts. Oh my God, check it out. Crispy Cuts, both spelled with a C and not a K. I already love this brand. Thank you, Field Trip. Pork rinds, so I'm guessing, yep, 1 carb per serving. I can handle that. Let's take a guess as to how many servings in this bag. 2? 2! I'm getting better at this. All right. And then we got, upside down, cold brew, half and half pre-sweetened tea. So there's a pretty slim chance that I will be drinking any of this. But that means that one lucky friend on keto is going to be inheriting some pre-sweetened cold brew tea. All right. Ooh, the drink. What is this? Napa Hills Vineyard enriched water beverage. That's freaking creepy. What is a water beverage? Peach Grigio, but no alcohol. It's a sore disappointment. Here's some paragraphs. I'm not going to read those. What do you want from me? You want 3 grams of carbohydrates from me? I can handle that. Again, chances I'm going to drink this, fairly slim. Moving on. Ooh, hello Noosh. This is a familiar brand of a thick sponge. Banana nut cake. Gluten-free. Kosher. Did you say coconut oil? Oh, why isn't the camera focusing? Okay. I'll eat it, but the last one wasn't the freaking best. That's more carbs than I like. Moving on. Got the usual cheese crisp. Wisps. I buy these from Costco. Again, everything's spelled correctly. It's like they read my mind. Ooh. There we go. These names, man. Dang bar. Like, dang, it's so good. It says keto right here on the label. That's interesting. Cardamom. Okay. We'll give you a try. What do we got going on here? 5 net carbs, 9 grams of protein. Hands are shaking as usual. All right. Fat snacks. Misspelled, but at least it's not a K for a C, so I'm not mad. Oh man, cookies. Double chocolate chip. Low carb. How low carb? Oh my God, there's no chance I'm reading this right now. What does that say? Net carbs, 2 grams. Yep. Serving size 1 cookie. Who do you think I am? Fine. Keto Farms Clean Foods for Healthy Keto Living. Keto Snack Mix. Raspberry Gouda. That's interesting. Sprouted almonds and walnuts. I can't even begin to figure out what a sprouted almond and walnut is. And raspberry and Gouda don't seem like they go together. But we'll give you a chance, Keto Farms. Yeah, we'll definitely give you a chance. All right. Ooh. The old misspelled California Keto Peanut Butter Cookies. Oh God, that's a lot of K's, you guys. Stop it. 1 gram of net carb per cookie. I can handle that. This is basically a fat bomb. 10 grams of fat. I'm gonna make these tonight. This looks great. All right. And I think, oh, there's one more thing in here. What is this? Keto Box DPV vitamins. 1 to 2 carbs in vitamins. What is this? Electrolyte mix. Okay. I drank the last one that was in here and I liked it. But I also haven't really dealt with the keto flu because I'm just not doing it long enough, I think. Anyway, all right, thank you for this. Looks like there's 2 packets in there, so okay, here's to getting the keto flu and trying this electrolyte mix. All right, so this month's box. A bottle of peach Grigio no alcohol. Disappointment of disappointments. Pre-sweetened cold brew tea. I wish you hadn't have done that because I would have drank the regular tea. What is this? My One True Love Chalk Zero. Keto Farms Raspberry Gouda Snack Mix. NFI. Dang bar. Okay. Crispy Cuts pork rinds. Wait, Parmesan peppercorn. Yum. All the K's cookies. Wisps. This amount of wisps. I mean, this is easily a quarter of a snack. What is wrong with you guys? Little baby bags. And then I got this Noosh sponge that is banana nut cake flavor. Electrolytes. And these delicious looking Fat Snacks cookies. All right, what's with the coupons today? Let's see. Okay. I guess if the dang bar is good, we'll look into that. Ooh, and a Chalk Zero coupon. I am very excited about this Chalk Zero. Very, very excited. And that is Keto Box number 6.